Listen, actually, today is the best day. Sadashiva appears for Brahma and Vishnu early morning in the form of light shaft, means the consciousness which is beyond time and space enters into time and space. One becomes many. That is what today morning you saw. Now all that lamps will be brought back and many becomes one again in the evening. See, the whole Hindu cosmology is explained in this today's celebration. Sadashiva declares, let me become many to celebrate myself. So morning we celebrate he becoming many. You can see every deity, every god, we go on light the lamp, means the main lamp is bioenergy is invoked, his presence is invoked. From there, each expression is Sadashiva. That is why 5 lamps, to show his 5 face. One for the Lingam, one for Nityanandeshwara. In Agama, everyone is separate. Only in Vedanta, one. When you take care, you see, all of us are one, but dosas need to be separate. All of us are one in the inner space, no doubt, but dosas need to be separate. The carrying. So, each, that Sadashiva himself becomes many. So, whole campus we went round and it was such high energy. I know it was, see, all this may look very simple, but they all have a profound significance. Especially today, in that light, literally you had the darshan of Sadashiva. Sadashiva is there in that fire. So ritualistically, it has to be maintained till it reaches the temple back and till the evening lamp is lit with that fire only. And evening, we will have the celebration. All the lamps will be brought back. That is the sound you are hearing. They are going to each shrine and do the puja and bring all the lamps back. So again the many becomes one. And Devi is given darshan. Devi is accepted in the half. Actually, morning Brahma and Vishnu were blessed and asked to make the one into many. Evening, even Devi became one. The whole thing becomes one. You will see you will also have the darshan of Ardhanarishwara evening. Means the Sadashiva in the form of Shiva and Devi. You will have darshan in the evening. Not only spiritually, even socially, this celebration forms a very important part of my life. Because this is the only celebration I enjoyed from my birth, at least in this body. The whole Arunachala will be vibrating. Usually, every year I go to Arunachala for this. It's around 20 hours celebration. Early morning to tomorrow morning. Sadashiva himself will go around the hill. So with that the ritual concludes. Tonight after the Deepam, Sadashiva's deity will be brought. He will go around the whole hill with all the paraphernalia which you guys are seeing now here, with all that fun and paraphernalia. He will go around the whole hill. Around 30 lakh people will walk all around the hill. It's called Naramalai, means garland of human beings will be put for that hill. And he will be garlanded. The whole hill will be garlanded. Today in 3 items: flower, lemon, and another one fruit like an apple or orange. Whole hill, the garland will be long at least 15 kilometers. 15 kilometer long, single garland made out of flowers, one garland made out of lemon, one garland made out of any seasonal fruit, like apple or orange. It will be offered to the whole hill. One old man has made a trust. Some 100 crore wealth, his wealth, he left it for the trust just to garland Sadashiva on this one day. He made a will. This whole money goes to only for garlanding every year Sadashiva in the form of the hill. He had darshan of Sadashiva in the form of the hill. And after that, he wrote, and every year they very sincerely do it. Matter, element through which energy can be spread into everything. See, fire is the bridge. If you put earth element, water element both into fire, you will convert that into air element and space element. Is the bridge. These two have form, this two does not have form. This is formless form. Air and space does not have form. Earth and water has form. Fire is formless form.